10 Basics of Budgeting. Here's a short guide to budgeting. 1. Set goals. Identify what you want to achieve financially, like saving for a trip or paying off debt. 2. Calculate income. Add up all the money you earn each month, including from work or other sources. 3. Track expenses. Write down everything you spend for a month and group them into categories like rent, groceries, and entertainment. 4. Analyze spending. Look for areas where you can cut back and save money. 5. Create a budget. Based on your goals and spending analysis, make a plan for how much you'll spend in each category. Make sure it doesn't exceed your income. 6. Prioritize savings and debt. Put aside money for savings. Paying off debts secures your finances. 7. Track and adjust. Keep an eye on your spending, using apps or spreadsheets. Adjust your budget if needed. 8. Review regularly. Check your budget periodically and make changes as your situation changes. 9. Stay disciplined. Stick to your budget. Avoid impulsive spending to reach your goals. 10. Be flexible. Adjust your budget when necessary to accommodate life changes. Following these steps will help you manage your money and work towards your financial goals.